Assertion and reason type of questions. As you know about this type of questions very well, I directly go to the question now. Assertion. If a proton and an electron are placed in the same electric field, experiences different acceleration. Solution. We very well know that electron and proton have the same amount of charge. So they experience same Coulomb force. But acceleration equals force by mass. We know that mass of the proton is greater than the mass of the electron. Mass of the proton is 1836 times the mass of the electron. So mp is greater than me. We substitute this in the equation. We found that the acceleration of the proton is less than acceleration of the electron. So assertion: if the proton and an electron are placed in the same electric field, they experience different acceleration. Correct. This statement is right. Reason: electric force on a test charge is independent of its mass. Right? So force, electric force, F equals K time Q naught by R square. So electric force depends upon the medium, the amount of charge in each body, and the distance between the two body, but not on the mass of the body. So F is independent of mass of the test charge. So option B is correct. If both the assertion and reasons are true, good, but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Let us see second question. Assertion: acceleration of a charged particle in a non-uniform electric field does not depend on the velocity of the charged particle. So we go with the same equation, A equals F by m. Here the force due to electric field, so QE by m. Good. Now this acceleration depends on the charge, the electric field and mass, but not on the velocity. So A depends on electric field but not on its velocity. So look at the assertion. Acceleration of a charged particle in a non-uniform electric field does not depend on the velocity of a charged particle. Correct. This statement is true. Next, reason. Charge is an invariant quantity. That is, amount of charge on a particle does not depend on the frame of reference. Any physical quantity that does not depend on the velocity, then it does not depend upon the frame of reference. As we know, the charge does not depend on the velocity, so it does not depend on the frame of reference. The right option is B. If both the assertion and reasons are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Thank you, children.